Antonius Mizaldus de Mundi Sphaera, episode 16. Non Deus est author qui non mutatur et aquo. Non alium vide repatres alium venepotes. Cernent quis prohibet solem de currerad arctos, Elysian, aut mutar revias aut coiptos vertebrae cursus? Mizaldus continues asking questions about the relationship between the world and its creator. Is not God the author, who is not changed, who is unchanged, and from whom, aquo, our fathers did not see one, or our children will not perceive another? So we need to pause there and talk a little bit about the grammar. The first line is very easy, obviously. Non Deus est author, is not God the author. And then this qui clause is modifying author or Deus, who is unchanged. Mutatur is a third singular, present indicative passive from the first conjugation verb, muto mutare, like so, and from whom, aquo, our fathers, patres. I'm taking this as the first subject, masculine plural and nominative. Then videre, you can see, is actually viderunt. It's a third plural, perfect indicative active, viderunt. Actually, the second macron, the first macron is there, but not under the U. The object is alium, from whom our fathers did not see one God, or will our descendants, nepotes, masculine plural and nominative again, will not see another, alium. So cernent is a third plural future from third conjugation verb cerno, cernere. So the presence of that e tells us it's future. We might translate it a little more idiomatically, and we might say, our fathers have not seen, non videre, a God different from him, that is, from this God, nor will our descendants, our offspring, see a God who's different from him. He is the one who prevents, or who is it, we might say, because see, it's a question, who is it that prevents the sun from setting, decurrere, or running off, ad arctos, toward the north? Who is it that prevents the sun from setting in the north, or abandoning, i.e. changing his paths, or who prevents the sun from turning away from the course, the cursus, that he has already begun, the coiptos cursus. This is a masculine plural accusative. It's the same fourth declension noun modified by coiptos. If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.